Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So I got a few comments like what happened these days the people are getting are getting blocked, this type of problem in Instagram. But like what is happening, even if they are creating a new Instagram account, even in that within a few days the comment are getting blocked. So why this is happening and what you can do? See what happened, for example, if your Instagram account got deleted or disabled by Instagram, so what happened, they block your IP address. So even if your account A is blocked, deleted by Instagram, and you will try to log in account B, they will not allow you to log in, because as per Instagram, if the account is disabled, you cannot use Instagram. So in same way, if your comment is blocked, they have blocked your IP address. Any account you are doing login from the same application, the same IP address, you will face same problem. So why this is happening? Because the IP address is blocked, and whichever account, the number of account you are creating, you will face this comment block in all of this account. So what we need to do, so the solution is, you need to use a dual app or a clone app for Instagram or a parallel space, and you can log in from there and create a new account, and after that you will not face this comment block problem. And the second solution is, you have to format your Instagram, you have to format your mobile phone, and after that when you will download the Instagram application, create a new account, then you start using that, you will not face this problem. So after that, try to log in a new account in that phone, don't log in an old one, and you continue using, you will not get this comment block problem. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.